Did you know that there are websites online that will pay you for filling out surveys and downloading offers and even watching videos? Pretty crazy stuff. Watch this. So just head over to the website called lootup.me. Go to the right hand side and fill up your email, your username and password, and even get $5 as a sign up bonus on them. Once signed up, you can actually fill out surveys, you can complete offers, you can play games, you can shop online, you can get free giveaways, you can watch videos, and you can even take part in weekly and monthly contests to win some real money. And this is how it actually works. Step number 1, you create your account like I mentioned. Step number 2, you play games, you complete offers, you watch videos, you shop and earn cashback, and you take part in the giveaways. And step number 4, you set up your PayPal account, or you can withdraw money through gift cards or cryptocurrency as well. So a pretty cool way to start earning some side income 100% from home. But on LootUp, you're gonna be making a few dollars a day. If you wanna learn how to increase that by 10 times and find out exactly how I do 5 figures every single month, just go ahead and follow me on my channel. Click on the link in my bio to get the free training. And I'm gonna show you exactly the way that I do it every single day, and you can model this for yourself if you really want to. See you soon.